Hello there, and welcome to the Unbelievable. This ferocious predator acts as if he is just a normal house cat.
The universe was unaimless or fussy at the start. And that's because there's more matter here. A galaxy is going to form here, and we're going to live here. And there'll be nearly empty space in the form.
Just that one little leg.
Explosion of time
Don't like it.
and space. With none of the
Incredible footage of a man patting and feeding a friendly crocodile called Rambo.
Godt, Rambo. Og når jeg putter min hånd ind under her, så varmer han op. Op. Det er godt. Ja. Godt, Bølle. Yep. Det var da ikke så slemt. Var det, Bølle? Nej, Bøllebulle.
This large condor frequently visits the man who saved its life as a baby.
Hey, loco. ¿Qué te cuenta? Bueno. Dale, vete por acá, Carlita. No, qué cosa hermosa.
I know what his idea is. He's gonna try and climb through here. Ha! Ha! Wat maak jy? Ah! Forrest! Forrest! Ah!
Amazing footage of a pair of Arctic wolves being friendly in Canada.
Look at that, eh? I got nothing to eat. Don't you just want to pet them? I do. Oh, wow. Hey, I don't know if I like you this close. You get back. Don't worry. Oh. You guys just gonna smell you. Don't worry.
A family of gorillas get curious about this strange creature known as a human.
Just watch your glasses.
On the coast of Vancouver Island, this wild orca plays with his human friend. These two scary carnivores love playing and cuddling with their owner.
Hola, hola, hola. ¿Estás loca o qué? Ya. Órale. La loca has grown a little bit. Ya está grande la Catalina. Creció la Cata.
Wolverines are known to be quite aggressive, but this handler shows us their playful side.
Those Callaways? All these years. But apparently, I'm the only one that's ever worked this closely with Wolverines.
No, this.
These polar bears have a strange relationship with these Arctic dogs. They play and cuddle together. Here is just some bears saying hello at a zoo in Indonesia. A dog and a kangaroo share an unlikely friendship. This 200-pound lion sees his friend and greets him with nothing but love.
But he doesn't have so much time.
Good morning. Sit down. I'm getting a bit.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh, he loves you. Oops.
This friendly alligator is one of 6 that live in this alligator sanctuary. Her name is Betty.
What are you supposed to use your hand?
Yes, I always do. No, empty hand. Come on.
Whoa.
This is after the meat.
Yeah.
From the footage seen, it seems elephants have quite an interest in radio antennas. This wonderful sea creature often pops up for a visit during tourist dolphin cruises.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Junior.
Hello, Junior.
Hi, good morning. Now, guys, Junior is a young boy of 5 years old. Hold on, I'm getting there. Slowly, slowly. All right? Slowly, my boy. Check this girl out. Unbelievable.
Just a Russian casually feeding a polar bear.
Подожди. Bonso ada orang hutan ya? Nah.
After not seeing her for 2 months, this pack of wolves greet their longtime friend with pure adoration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Unbelievable.